Good morning, Reynolds family. Today is Monday, April 20th. Welcome to episode 4 of our Tech Training Roundup series.
I'm Kim.
And I'm Kevin.
And we make up technology training services here at Reynolds Community College. We sincerely hope you are successfully navigating a new week of working under ever-changing conditions.
All websites and videos referenced in this video are linked in the description below for your convenience. Visit our Tech Training tutorial page for video tutorials and guides that cover questions on common software used at the college. If this support material does not provide answers, please reach out to us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu rather than email us directly. This allows us to tag team and track common issues to serve you more efficiently.
The Quick Access Guide is still available for face-to-face instructors who have moved their courses online. This guide contains essential information on Canvas, Zoom support resources, and Reynolds faculty online mentors with their contact information. You can find the Quick Access Guide below in the description and on the Tech Training website. Our student technology support page is updated frequently and is located on the reynolds.edu webpage.
Several changes and updates were pushed out to Canvas over the weekend. Some of these include mute notifications by course, limit assignment submission attempts, and assignment speed grader link. For more information, including summary videos on these updates, please visit the Canvas release notes page. Link included in the video description below.
There was also a Zoom security change. Recently, they added an icon to the Zoom meetings control toolbar. Visible only to host and co-host of Zoom meetings, the security icon provides easy access to several existing Zoom security features to protect your meetings more easily. These include lock meeting, enable a waiting room, remove participants, and others. To ensure your meetings are secure, be sure to update your version of Zoom through the Zoom desktop app or by visiting the Zoom download page here. The latest Zoom security updates can be found on the Zoom blog website at blog.zoom.us.
Over the past week, we've received several questions related to Canvas quizzes. Several of these issues were resolved using a feature called Moderate Quiz. Moderate Quiz can be accessed directly from any published quiz under Related Items. Here, you can view a student's quiz progress and tracking information, including number of attempts, time, number of attempts left, and score. Common issues that Moderate Quiz can often resolve are prevention of retaking a quiz, failure to submit a quiz properly, incorrect quiz settings, for example, revealing answers after the first attempt on a multi-attempt enabled quiz, and finally, cheating. The edit icon on the right allows you to give students extra time and attempts, whether for accommodation requests or technical issues experienced during the quiz itself. Moderate Quiz is a useful tool that allows you to troubleshoot common quiz issues often raised by your students. Check out our TTS Quick Tip video on this topic for more information. And now for your Tech Training Tip of the Week.
In our current situation, it is more crucial than ever to apply security measures, especially if you're working off campus. Logging into My Reynolds opens the portal to most of our applications. Some of the applications that do not always close when you log out of My Reynolds are your VCCS Gmail account, Canvas, and Navigate. To log out of Gmail or Google Mail, click on the VCCS icon in the top right corner of your page. Click the Sign Out button exposed in the drop-down menu. The Navigate logout icon is also located in the top right corner of your page. However, to log out of Canvas, you will need to log out by clicking on Account on the top left corner of the application page. When logging out of these applications, you may be directed to sign out on the VCCS or My Reynolds homepage as well. A successful logout for these applications will return you to either the VCCS or My Reynolds login page. To view these steps on logging out of the My Reynolds portal applications, refer to our Logging Out Essentials video. When accessing Reynolds email through a browser, it is the best practice to use Edge. Through the Reynolds homepage, you can access your Outlook email and all Office 365 applications. To log out of Office 365, click the icon in the top right corner of the page and select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. It's that simple. And that's your tech training tip of the week. If you have any tip suggestions yourself, please feel free to email us at technologytraining@reynolds.edu.
And if you have any questions or troubleshooting issues, please reach out to us also at technologytraining@reynolds.edu. This is Kevin.
And Kim signing out.
Be safe.
Be well.
And we'll see you in the next Tech Training Roundup video.